So here we go. This is a thing that's causing me so much grief, so much aggro. The bison, buffalo, whatever you want to call it. Let's just get on with the pour. Right, so here we are, folks. The hairy cow, bison, buffalo, whatever you want to call it. This is the pour. We're going for the pour for the second time now. I've tried, as you've seen in probably Discord, I've tried 4 or 5 times to get the mould right, and we're going for it this time. This thing, if I'm brutally honest, it's really doing my head in now. I just want to get it done. It's been starting to get to me. I've got to get it over the line. I've got to get it done. It's just starting to really play me up. So fingers crossed we can get it done this time. The furnace is 10:45, so we're nearly there on the furnace. I'm just going to heat the tongs up and then we'll give it a pour and we'll see. Yeah, we'll see if we can crack it this time, because it's doing my head in. It's literally twisting my melon. But let's positive thoughts. I've done a prayer to the silver gods, so let's see if we can crack it this time. Right, that's the tongs warm. Now I'm just going to try and warm the top at least without actually catching the sand inside, just because it's really cold in the shed. So you'll see the condensation's just burning off. That's just in case I catch any of its spills. Okay, hopefully that'll be okay. Right then, folks, let's have a go. The hairy cow for 365. I gotta be honest, I wish I said no from the beginning. Now it sounded such a great idea. I was well up for it, and as it's gone on, I was like, what have I done? Why? I love 365. He's got a way of making you say yes to stuff. He's amazing, lovely fella. Right, here we go then. Let's get the pour. Yeah, silver's melted. It's a heavy crucible. Oh, I can't get the crucible out. Are you having a giraffe? Let's go. Right, I think it's filled up. As you can see, I've caught me paper on fire. Dear me. Whatever, we've got it in. We've got it in. And there's just enough gone in. The sprue's gone down, so it's just enough in. Oh, my giddy. Right, that crucible was a bit of a pain. It's sliding in all right now, so I think it's just the weight and the angle. And right, anyway, forget that. We've got more important stuff. As it works, I don't know. Oh, bloody hell. Let's open the door. Oh, I just don't know. I don't know what the pour was like, as you can see. It's just because I'm under so much pressure. It's like anything you try in life, isn't it? When you're under pressure. Because I know a lot of people are waiting and they're getting really impatient and they want it done. And I can understand why it's been dragging on. But like when you're under pressure to do something, you're not relaxed, so you're not smooth. It's like, I suppose it's like tennis players and any sportsmen. You've got to be cool, haven't you? You've got to like not worry about it. But we'll see. Well, there you go. It's smoking nicely. So I just hope enough went in. I'm going to be so annoyed if not enough silver went in. Please, please, please. I mean, I don't know if you're going to see. you're not going to see down, but there is a bit of a sprue. It hasn't come all the way. There's a bit of a sprue. Well, there's only one thing for it, ain't that? What are we messing about for? Let's crack it open. Right, I don't know. I don't know. I'm just getting smoked out. I really don't know. Oh. Oh. Oh, no. Oh, no, it hasn't worked. It hasn't worked. We are so close. That is so annoying. As you can see, we've lost a bit of his back. Have we lost a bit? Yeah, we've lost a bit of his back. Have the legs worked? If the legs have worked, okay. Hasn't, okay. Oh, Jesus Christ. Let's get it out and have a look. Don't know how I'm going to do this. Let me get it out and get it. Oh, for God, crying out loud. One leg. All the legs have worked. Right, now that has proper pissed me off now because it's worked apart from get his back. You getting that? Oh, you joking me? Now I'm wondering, okay, I'm wondering, can I melt some more silver, pour it in and use some of my artistic skills to make this work? Now, he didn't say nothing about that, did he? There was nothing in the rules saying I couldn't edit it afterwards. He just said he wanted it done traditional sandcasting method. Well, we'll have a look. What I'll do, I'll get it quenched and then we'll see where we're actually at. Got to admit, it's a chunker. Cool, I wish I had that on camera. That was a cracking quench. I've only got the one camera set up. Move the clamps out the way. Oh, it looks cool. Oh, it's so annoying. Right, just bear with me guys, sorry about this. I've just got to try and get the clay off without burning myself because obviously the clay stays really hot still. The silver's cool, the clay isn't, so just bear with me a sec. I'll try. Right, so here we are. Yeah, see the clay's still out. It's got a bit of flashing, but that's not a problem. But look, it would have come out okay, because that cuts off, front leg we got, back leg, we've got all the legs. It's just it didn't take on his back there when it poured in. Oh, so annoying, so annoying. So it was like that, poured in. Yeah, it's just we need to just do the angle and a sprue coming down a bit more, and maybe another sprue coming off. Have two. But could I fix that? Can I fix that? Still got some silver in, haven't I? Do I have a go? We'll see. Right, here we go. I've never tried this ever before, so we're gonna have a go because it's come out really cool. If I could just, you can't really see. He's just got an hole in his back, a tiny little hole. So I'm gonna try something I've never tried before. I've seen other pourers in America do this type of thing when they pour other silver into silver and God knows what. So we're going to give that a go. Let me just give it a little warm up. Again, I don't know what's going to happen. Just want to try and get rid of any moisture without actually melting the buffalo. Right, I'm going to go with that. Wish me luck, guys. Experimental. Okay. Filled the hole in. It's going to take a bit of artistic. It's whether it sticks to it, that's the problem. Don't know if you're getting that. The hole's been filled in, so let me get this over to the quench and see if it'll stick in. As you can see, filled the hole in. Always stands up as well, that's annoying. He stands upright as well. Right, just bear with me a sec, guys. Girls, while I get rid of this. It's just so, it's such a relief that the legs worked. It proves the method doing this clay malarkey. Yes, it takes days, but it just shows that it does work, and it does show you can sandcast pretty much dead space in impossible items when the legs are in line. All that there's dead space, as I've talked about numerous times. So let me bring it back over and we'll have a look at his back. Right folks, here we go. Oh, it's so annoying. I'm just devastated, absolutely devastated. As you can see, I've done a quick bit of clean up on it, but it's not worth my time obviously because it hasn't worked. But as you can see, back leg, let me bring you a bit closer. Back leg, front leg, all come out fine. They would have tidied up nice, just a bit of dremeling around there, a bit of sanding and filing. You see face okay, hair underneath okay, hair on his chin, all just come out fine. Apart from this bit on the back, and as you've seen, I tried to fill the hole in, I knew it weren't going to work. It's just annoying, and the annoying part is it stands up as well. I was worried that the weight of his head would have a problem with the physics of it, because the silver being heavy with his big shoulders here, I think they're called shoulders, aren't they? It was always going to tip forward, so that was in the back of my mind, which I've never mentioned to no one. But yeah, we've got it. Bloody thing, we had it. We had it. I took my eye off the ball a little bit, obviously, didn't I? Because obviously what's happened, if you see, there's the sprue. That bit must have been just raised higher than the sprue, so when it filled up, obviously it only fills up to where that sprue meets the body, so physics state that he won't go there. So the thing that's bloody annoying on this one, it's my bloody fault. It would have worked. So yeah, there's where we are. I'm just really sorry, everyone. I'm just so sorry. I know people are getting pissed off with how long it's taking, but I am trying. It just takes me so long to do it with my other stuff, what's going on. I'll get there. I will do it. So we got to go again. So it's back to the, and I won't bore you with the clay crap again. I've just got to redo it all again, and we go again. But it stands up, so, and the legs work. That's what's annoying about the whole bloody thing. The legs work. If that first one would have come out, I had the back lovely, the model, it was all lovely apart from missing 2 legs. This time got the legs, ain't got its arse end.